Good day, everyone. My name is Lawrence. Today we'll be discussing something amazing, that one of a kind innovation from NASA technology. Mr. Sumit Isarungon, he is a NASA aircraft engineer. He works with NASA for almost a decade now, and he invented something, what we call ultracapacitor. What's with ultracapacitor? Basically, this is your car. With your car, your primary source of energy would be your battery, your engine, as well as your fuel. That's the basic primary energy source. But when your car hits a big demand, the big demand is when your car needs to use the air conditioner, needs to use the air conditioning system, the audio, the engine, the ignition, and all the stuff inside your car needs more than just a primary source of energy. So what can you get? Where can you get the extra amount of energy that you need? First, you need to have an ultracapacitor. That's what we're getting in. Ultracapacitor innovation, not just your ordinary innovation, but the technology that is NASA technology. Mr. Sumit has been with the industry for almost a decade, and with his expertise and his knowledge, he uses the technology, he uses his learning and his wisdom and experience to invent something what we call ultracapacitor. What's with the ultracapacitor? To explain it simply, your car can function to get the power of your car. You need to have an air fuel mixture and burn it with your spark plug. That's the usual. I mean, you will get the power from the air fuel mixture. But here's what the difference. I'd like to give you three different types of experiment that we had. We have the air fuel mixture and burn it with the usual spark plug. And after burn, there's a power. The power goes in directly to your engine and your car, and then the emission would be the CO2. After burning the air fuel mixture with your spark plug, the emission would be CO2, the carbon dioxide. The exhaust emission is carbon dioxide. So let's try to the next experiment that we had. Air fuel mixture, burn it with a microwave. So what's your end product of burning the air fuel mixture together with the microwave technology? The end result would be your HC, your CO, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, and nitrogen oxide. That's the second experiment that we had. But what if I tell you the third experiment is the newest technology in the car industry, automobile industry. And not just only limited to automobile. It can be on the train, on a car, on your truck, and your solar energy. Its power is limited. Its usability is all over the type of industry that we can discuss. So the third experiment that we had is we used the air fuel mixture. But this time, remember this time, it's different. And let me tell you, if you ever heard before the three types of matter, the solid, the liquid, and the gas, we use the fourth matter. Do you know what's the fourth matter? There you go. You got it. Plasma. Plasma is the fourth matter. So when you use the technology of plasma, air fuel mixture, and burn it with the plasma, what will happen? When you burn the air fuel mixture with the plasma, do you know what's the exhaust? It's not CO2, it's not nitrogen, but H2. It's hydrogen. And when your emission is hydrogen, it combines with the atmosphere, which is oxygen. Now your emission would become hydrogen. Now become water, H2O, through hydrogen and oxygen, that becomes water. So your emission now is hydrogen, not the CO2. And that's a new technology that right here at Turbo Plasma International Company, we invented with the use of NASA technology. So with this information that you have, for sure, we can solve the problem of pollution regarding the carbon dioxide emission, as well as other problems in the world. Climate change. Some of the problem with the climate change would be the CO2 emission. So with that, without problem with the CO2 emission, we changed into hydrogen with the use of plasma air fuel mixture. We solved the problem of pollution.